Hi, this is Elena again tonight. We're in my room, and again we have Madison.
Hi.
And today, we don't know what we're doing. Now let me show you somebody. Specialty! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
The photograph.
This is what we're doing.
Camera's upside down, idiot.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Yes, it is. I think. Maybe.
No,
Who knows?
it's not. It doesn't matter either. They can start flipping around. But what? We're doing something very nasty.
While listening to music.
Okay, now look. I'm going to tell you what's in it. Okay, so there's popcorn butter kettle corn. There is honey, syrup, salt, peppers, peppers, chunks of meat, Parmesan, steak sauce,
This is a horrible challenge.
mustard, hot sauce, and let's see, honey mustard.
And the usual drink of choice?
Water.
So who's going to go first on this one?
Madison. I'm going to get it for you.
This is going to be gross. The worst challenge of all. Maybe.
Oh, I forgot. I didn't get it.
Your head's still in there.
Shut her now.
I see him doing rate and comment.
Okay, stay over here.
Hold on.
Don't do it yet.
Okay.
You
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, go. Chew.
Eat, chew. You love eating. Come on. Okay, I do too. Okay. Swallow.
Show the tongue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get a drink, but not too big.
Do rate and comment at the end. And 5, please rate and comment.
Oh, okay. Was it bad?
No, not really. Your turn, Elena. I went second on the last one.
Let me second on the last one.
You, me, and her. I would prefer to be last on this one.
But I went first. Now I have to.
Let's see how this one turns out.
I have to chew it.
Hopefully not like the cinnamon challenge.
I'm gonna puke.
This is an extra though. A little good and a little bad. Mostly bad. And the song changing.
I don't want y'all to hear me puking. Okay, that was uncalled for. Alright. No, just get out.
Come on. Don't be so close. Oh, wait, no, I did it really fast. I'm hungry.
I see you're hungry.
I said I'm younger.
Oh, I said I'm really hungry.
Come on, Elena.
Can we watch a movie after this?
Yes. No. Yes, we can.
Can I want to watch
As long as we eat.
Not too loud though, because everybody's sleeping.
Yeah, I know. Come on, Elena. Do I have to put these mouth open? Nothing. Shush.
I did watch this.
Missy with her nails done.
For my birthday.
Ah.
It smelled worse than I thought. Oh my god.
Do you want me to go first? or
Second.
second or whatever.
Yeah.
Alright.
Since Elena with her weak stomach, I shall go first with holding my breath.
How come my stomach's not weak with dead things?
I have no clue.
Oh my god.
You touched the dead bird's heart today, thanks to your cat.
Yeah. It smells horrible.
Yeah, that's right.
How's it taste? How's it taste? How's it taste? Does it taste terrible?
Gotcha, I want to see how you like that.
I don't like that. I said a little bit.
I want to see how you...
Did you swallow it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 10. Did you smell the water?
It's horrible.
At least you didn't poke yourself in the eye. Thanks for the enthusiasm. Yeah, I love you too, sis. That tastes nasty.
I didn't eat it yet.
Okay, now let's see what you mean. Aftertaste.
I know, I was tasting it first.
The faster you chew it and swallow it, the better it is.
Yeah.
But still has that aftertaste.
Yeah.
We can watch your favorite movie after this, if you have it.
Have it. I don't know. Another good movie on watch.
Alright, then eat your piece of whatever it is.
Everything. You can eat your piece of everything. Now.
Go on, Elena.
I'm sorry for eating this, guys.
Elena.
Oh, okay.
Hold your breath and go like this.
Shut your mouth. Okay, I'm gonna have to forgive myself for this. Y'all have to forgive me. Okay.
You've done all the other challenges.
But they don't involve everything in my kitchen, including meat.
Just do it and get it over with. Chew it and swallow it. Just chew and swallow. No, not yet. Swallow. 5.
Okay, 1,
2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And Elena's off throwing up, so while we're waiting for her to get done throwing up, just to let you know, that was really nasty. And while they were doing this, Elena's cousin and her, I was off uploading one of our other figures. What do you want?
Don't try this one, guys, because it's
Well-
a little, it's nasty.
Well, you can try it if you like.
But I don't consider it.
Or you can try it if you like. You don't have to. If you don't want to go through this, like Elena said, it's everything. So, please rate, please comment. Elena, say bye with your nauseated self.
I'm sorry.
Say bye, Elena.
Bye.